Let's create a promo video for Instagram stories. Go to Elements, add a square, and stretch it across the entire page. In Elements, search for Stone Square Podium. Add one tall podium and two smaller ones. I don't like this one. Let's choose a slightly different options. Next, go to Uploads and add your product. Place each product on a podium. Lower the whole composition slightly. Go to Uploads again and add 3 more products. Those products will replace the first ones later. For now, move them off the canvas to the position where you want them to appear from. Now let's change the background color to a more suitable one. I'll choose a color similar to the gram tubes. This will look more harmonious. Add a square element and choose a gradient fill. In editing, remove the second color to create a soft shadow. Place the shadow where the transition effect will be visible. This creates the illusion that the elements are standing on a surface. Duplicate the shadow and flip it to the other side. Reduce the opacity slightly and group them together. Now let's add some text. I like the Didec Gothic font, so I'll choose it and apply the lift effect. Duplicate the text and write "Buy now." Add a link to your shop or page. Duplicate this text a few times, group it, and apply the drift animation. Add a square element under the text, stretch it, and change its color to white. Duplicate the text again and write complete body care. Duplicate it several times, group it, and apply the drift animation, but in the opposite direction. When everything is ready, duplicate the page and start replacing visible cram jars with the one place of screen. Change the background color to better match this product line. Adjust the text color so it's more visible. You can also slightly reduce the font size so it doesn't look too bold. Add the match and move transition and set it to 1.5 seconds. Let's preview the result. Looks perfect. And one more important thing, don't forget to add atmospheric audio. Go back to the first video. At the bottom, click Add Audio, choose music that fits the mood, and your video is ready.